Want to know where your Assurance wireless phone or SIM card is? There are three main ways to track your order: email, SMS, and the online portal. When you placed your order, you should have received an order reference number. Keep this handy. For email tracking, check your inbox for automated updates sent to the email address you provided. No login is needed. For SMS tracking, Assurance Wireless will send text messages to the phone number linked to your account with updates. You can reply with status to get the latest info. Finally, the most detailed option is the online customer portal at assurancewireless.com. You'll need to create an account if you don't already have one. This portal provides a full order history and shipment tracking links with direct integration to shipping carriers like UPS or USPS. Once you have the tracking number, you can click on the links to see the carrier updates from UPS or USPS. If you're having trouble, contact Assurance Wireless at 1-888-898-4888 or use their live chat. Assurance Wireless has upgraded its tracking system for a better experience. Now you can find real-time updates in the customer portal, along with email and SMS notifications for any order changes. A great feature is the Assurance Wireless mobile app, which has a dedicated order tracker widget for instant access to your order status. Security is also a priority. Two-factor authentication is now required for portal access. Looking ahead, expect to see AI-powered chatbots providing proactive status checks and more eco-friendly notifications. Keep an eye out for potential integration with wearable tech in the future for notifications directly to smartwatches. If you ordered during a disaster or in a rural area, SMS tracking remains especially useful. All tracking methods rely on your order number for accuracy, and Assurance Wireless retains tracking data for 12 months post-delivery.